What's going on, guys? Two is on the block back again in the garage with the fence row Silverado. And you see I got a DANINATOR shirt on. That can mean only one thing. It's time for a muffler review. Ha ha! Yeah, in all seriousness, I do have a DANINATOR shirt on, but he's always reviewing mufflers, so that's why I said, you know what? It can mean only one thing. You guys see me working in the shirts all the time. For today's review, it'll be the Flowmaster Flow Effects Deep Mellow Tone, all stainless steel construction, fully welded muffler case, 1 year limited warranty against manufacturer defects. Don't mind the hole in the box, that's from the shipping company. Taking a look at the Flowmaster Effects, 3-inch inlet, two 2.5-inch outlets, full welded construction. It's really pretty. I like that coloration there. It's real nice. Says the same thing on both sides, so I guess depending on if you need it oriented a certain way. But yep, that's the muffler there. Take a look at the inlet side. Really nice welded construction all the way around. See the baffles in there. Hey! It is a through design, as you can see, all the way through. So it should have a little bit of volume over stock. Be interesting to see how different the truck sounds. Stock configuration startup. So something kind of funny, I'm actually changing oil at the same time that I'm doing this, but the funny part is, Mrs. Three Wheels is the one who said, your truck's too quiet, it needs to have some noise, so, yep, that's where that came from. Okay, underneath the truck, you can see that's the stock single end dual outlet muffler. So I'm actually gonna go and I'm gonna cut it right back here, and there, and up at the front, up there. And I've got a 3-inch extension that I'll put on the front side because the factory style muffler is a bit longer than what I've got to replace it. So that's what we're gonna do. If I can find somewhere to put the camera, I will. If not, then you guys just have to imagine me cutting, welding, and burning myself all that stuff. All right, time for the moment of truth. Cool. Got a little more exhaust note. Sounds pretty good. Not too loud. Little throatier at idle. I can dig it. Well, I guess the next thing to do is take it down the road and see what the drone sounds like. So let's do that. Probably lots of wind noise, but we're gonna try this anyway. Hold up to a red light. exhaust note of the truck. The drone's really not that bad. Yeah, I thought before maybe it was bad, but it's not bad. Maybe a little bit louder than it was before, but not terrible. Not terrible at all. Pretty much no drone driving down the highway. In fact, these mud terrains are louder than the exhaust is. So, that tells you anything. I think our next step will be to remove the catalytic converter that's on there. That catalytic converter is the original or an OEM style. Go to a high flow and see how different it sounds. I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. My name is Erwin. This 3 Wheels on a Block. We're giving back the time that's taken away. We'll see you soon.
Mm-hmm.